How to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see first message on Instagram without having to scroll. So if you want to see the first message, just go to the DM, and if there is a lot of text, you might have to manually just scroll. But if you don't want to do that and you want to make this task easier, what you'll have to do is automate this task. So to do that, before I teach you guys what to do, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Auto Scroller. So after you search for Auto Scroll or something like that, just download the app with the highest rating. And after you download it, what you can do is you can simply go to your DMs and then use the app to scroll manually. So that is how you do it. That is how you can see first message on Instagram without having to scroll. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.